tomorrow.
Now, the DMK government is mulling legal option after Arumughaswamy Commission report recommended a probe into former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha's death. The Arumughaswamy Commission report has recommended an investigation into Sashikala's role. The commission has also recommended that the role of Sashikala's nephew, Shiv Kumar, and the role of the ex-health minister, C. Vijayabhaskar, be examined as well. Beyond this, the role of Apollo chairman Pratap Reddy has also come into question, as a report says that he provided false statements about Jaya's health condition. Meanwhile, VK Sashikala has refuted all the allegations against her in the Arumughaswamy report. She said that she never interfered in Jayalalitha's medical treatment. My colleague and political editor Maria Shakil spoke to a panel of guests on the Arumughaswamy Commission report, which has recommended this investigation into Jayalalitha's death. Listen in.
The commission has indicted Sasikala, former minister, and bureaucrats. What next? Manuraj Sundaram.
With every commission of inquiry, Maria Shakil, and now we've had quite a few in this country of ours, once they are tabled, it is for the government to decide what the next steps are. It is too soon to tell you what will happen, but you can look at past experiences and learn from them, and as I do. Now, if you look back at the, say, for example, the Justice Ranganath Commission, which looked at the anti-Sikh riots of 1984, it was a complete fact-finding exercise, and after which multiple new FIRs came to be lodged, some of which resulted in trial and conviction of many important persons. So the first step is to understand that this particular commission of inquiry has done its job, the task that was given to it.
Here it is very clear that it is a part of negligence of the administration of the hospital, kind information. After hospitalized, they have to take care. They are the main reason for all those things. That chairman of the hospital told openly, met the press and told, the former chief minister, Amma Jayalalithaa was okay, health was okay, he is ready to walk back to home. After that, no discharge, nothing. That is September 22nd. They conducted the Kaveri meeting, dispute meeting conducted by the government.
Yes.
So, continuously 2 hours one state. Continuously she was participated in that meeting.
Yes.
The statement given by that former Chief Secretary Ram Mohan Rao. Ram Mohan Rao, after reaching Delhi, Amma was spoken through the cell. So this is all the statement I have given.
Poor lady has toiled in almost 75 days in the hospital and she passed away. And today we are discussing about the death of late Chief Minister Jayalalithaa because of the inquiry commission report which is crossed the Lakshman Rekha of any commission, because the judge, who happens to be appointed by O. Paneerselvam, has come out accusing almost every next person, including the hospital, the AIMS, or the doctors. And this is not the way the commission should have reported. They should have been unbiased and neutral.
It's sad that the inquiry has taken such a long time. Madam Jayalalithaa passed away in 2016. The inquiry committee, since constituted in 2017, has taken all the way up to 2022 to publish his report, a 5-year period. And now to go back and gather evidence for any investigative agency is going to be a tedious task. All this inquiry report raises is doubts across the board, not just in one frame.
Yes.
If you look at just the conclusion drawn out in the government order and in the very last paragraph of the inquiry report at page 448 and 480 of the GO, you basically see that doubts have been put the commission report and the manner in which the hospital had treated, the manner in which the hospital had its press conferences, and the claim that it was potentially faulty and false information that was provided, untrue information that was provided to the public and to the government, and simultaneously questioning how the 4 particularly named accused, Ms. VK Sasikala, Mr. Sivakumar, the then health minister, Mr. Bhaskar, and Vijay Bhaskar, and the then health secretary. So all these, also when you look at various evidences that are put forth, CW1 all the way to 106, only raises multiple contradictions. All that the inquiry committee has legally been able to tell and has been able to raise is doubts that have been in the minds of the people.
Multiple questions being raised throughout, Sumansi Raman. Politics aside, it's about former Chief Minister. The very fact that the CCTV cameras were shut for all those 75 days that she was in the hospital, that in itself raises the biggest question. That is the biggest red flag here.
No, Maria, I think first of all, yes, the CCTV cameras should not have been switched off, but the point is this commission report is a travesty. I mean, it really is. Questioning the medical treatment, which has been certified by multiple agencies, including the All India Institute of Medical Sciences,
Yes.
to have been, for there not to have been any discrepancies in the quality of care that was provided. And on what basis, during any treatment, there will be differences of opinion between different doctors. A consensus is arrived at, and then the treatment plan is evolved. So to say that one doctor said, why didn't you do this? Another doctor said, why didn't you do that? Is just juvenile. And I think that this will not stand up in any court of law. I'm glad Manu Sundaram has said that the government will take its time to study this before acting on it. The important point, even the time of death, look, you have to do a CPR for a patient. And in this particular case, the patient had a sternotomy, subsequently was put on an ECMO. You have to give time.